In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add keywords and metadata in Lightroom Classic. Whether you're an amateur photographer or a seasoned pro, organizing your photos effectively is crucial to managing your growing collection. Metadata, specifically keywords, can significantly enhance the findability of your images, making it easier to locate specific photos in the future. So, let's dive right into the process and learn how to add keywords to your images in Adobe Lightroom Classic. To get started, ensure that you're in the Library module of Lightroom. This module is your primary hub for organizing and managing your photos. Within the Library module, you'll want to be in Grid View. Grid View is excellent because it allows you to see multiple photos at once, offering a comprehensive overview of your collection. Once you're in Grid View, it's time to select the photos you want to tag with keywords. You can choose a single photo if you're working on a specific image, or you may select multiple photos if you want to attach the same keywords to a group. To select multiple photos, you can hold down the Control key on Windows or Command key on a Mac as you click on the desired images. Now that you've made your selection, direct your attention to the right-hand side of Lightroom's interface. Here, you'll find the keywording panel. This panel is critical for adding and viewing keywords related to your selected photos. Look for a field labeled "Click here to add keywords." It's a simple and straightforward space that invites you to type. In this field, go ahead and type your chosen keywords. It's good practice to separate each keyword with a comma for clarity. For instance, if you're adding keywords like sunset, beach, vacation, using commas ensures each word stands as a separate tag. Once you've entered your keywords, press the Enter key on your keyboard to save them. By doing this, you grant each selected photo the ability to be found through a simple keyword search within your Lightroom library. It's an efficient way to categorize your images based on content, location, or event, helping you maintain a well-organized photo library that's always search-friendly. Remember, the more detailed and specific your keywords, the more effective they'll be in helping you retrieve your images at a later date. So, take a moment to think about what words will best describe your photos before entering them. And that's it. Adding keywords and metadata to your photos in Lightroom Classic is a straightforward process that pays off with better organization and accessibility. Remember, practice makes perfect, and soon enough, this will become a seamless part of your photo editing workflow. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.